In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn coins on Wattpad. If you enjoy reading premium stories on Wattpad and want to unlock paid chapters or access exclusive content, then Wattpad coins are an important feature you should know about. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the different ways you can get coins using the Wattpad mobile app and explain how they work on the platform. To begin, it is important to understand that earning and managing Wattpad coins is mainly available through the mobile app. If you are currently using Wattpad on a computer browser, you may notice that some coin features are limited or unavailable there. Because of this, the first thing you should do is install the Wattpad app on your mobile device if you have not already done so. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in to your Wattpad account. After logging in successfully, go to your profile section inside the app. Near your profile area, you should be able to find the coin wallet icon. Tap on that icon to open your Wattpad coin options and view your current balance if you already have coins available. Inside the coin wallet section, Wattpad gives you several different ways to get coins. One option is purchasing coins directly through different coin packs available in the app. These packs usually come in different sizes depending on how many coins you want to buy. Another option available is subscribing to Wattpad Premium Plus. This subscription plan may include monthly bonus coins along with additional features that improve your reading experience. If you frequently unlock paid stories, this option can sometimes be more convenient than purchasing coins separately every time. You may also have the chance to earn bonus coins by redeeming offers or watching advertisements directly inside the app. Depending on your region and the offers currently available, Wattpad may reward you with extra coins after completing certain activities or viewing ads. This can be a useful way to collect coins without making direct purchases. Once you receive coins, you can use them to unlock paid stories and access premium chapters from writers on Wattpad. This allows readers to support authors while also enjoying exclusive content that may not be available for free. As you can see, earning coins on Wattpad is a simple process once you know where to find the coin wallet and available options inside the mobile app. Whether you choose to buy coins, subscribe to Premium Plus, or earn bonus rewards through offers and ads, there are several ways to access premium content on Wattpad. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.